Good morning everyone. Today I'll be doing a commission piece of the ocean, like an ocean theme one. So the colours I'll be using today is a turquoise colour, quite a dark navy colour, white and gold. So the canvas size I've been working on today is a Kmart canvas, and the nice cheap $5 canvases, doing a 50 by 40 centimeter one. So in my paints today, I have put in Mart PVA clear craft glue and water. So I put in 30% of the PVA and about 70% of water. I haven't done it to all the paints. Just didn't want too many cells popping through. So I've already gone down and I'm going to put actually a lot of white in this cup. Actually, I haven't told you, I'll be doing a flip cup. So I'm just layering up the colours now. So that obviously didn't go to plan. Oh crap. Alright, so now the tilting process. Okay, so that's all done, easy peasy, just like that. I'm sure everyone can do it at home. I'm gonna let it dry now and see how many more cells pop out. There's some beautiful ones going on here, which I really like. I'm very happy with this overall piece. I've got 2 more to do. So thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoy it. Please comment, and I will see you next time. See you later.